Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm able to get thousands of real estate wholesaling leads absolutely free. And I'm able to get them before websites like PropStream, Batch, all the big websites. So you can get this before most of your competitors. And it's really a game changer. So the website we're using, it's opendatanetwork.com. As I mentioned, it's absolutely free. You don't even have to sign up for anything. And they have pretty much all the lists that are directly from the county. They pull them from the county, and they have them on here. Now, they don't have everywhere. It's not all like every market's not on here, every county's not on here, but they do have a lot of big major cities. So it's super helpful, especially if you do virtual like I do, and you can just pick and choose what markets you want to work in. So you'll see here we have code violation is a search term. Up here, you can search for other things if you want to work foreclosure. You just start typing foreclosure and you'll see foreclosure data. But we're going to do code violations for this video. It's one of my favorite ones, and it's where we get a majority of our leads and our deals from. So right here, you'll see this one's Dallas, but this one was last updated 2021. So that's old. We don't want to mess with that one. We're going to skip it. But if you look here, Fort Worth, that one's brand new. It was updated as of today. But we also have places like New York, Montgomery, Dallas again. For some reason, all the Dallas ones are old. I'm guessing for some reason it's not pulling and going to this website. Montgomery again, Buffalo, a bunch more Dallases, Gainesville, Mesa, or Mesa, I don't know how you pronounce that, but the Bronx, whole bunch of places though. And you'll see, keep going down. There's all these different ones. So you can just pick the ones that you want. Some of it's, not as relevant, but just find the ones that you want to work and click on it. So we're going to start with Fort Worth just as an example one. So if you click the little blue button here, it'll bring you right to the actual website for the city. And you can see here they have code violations map, GIS data, whole bunch of stuff, which is super helpful. But we can actually skip all this. So you can get the info directly from here, but it's way easier to get it from here. So we're going that one, just click right above it. And you'll see here's all the different fields that they get, all the different data points. So we have description, which is perfect. We have the address, which we need, and the dates that it was done, city, state, perfect. So that's everything we need to make a list and to skip trace it. And we're going to go ahead and click view data. And boom. So here you can see last updated July 19th. Here's all the tags and everything they have on here. You're just going to click view data again. And boom, now you'll see here we have all these leads. There's 615 pages of all these different ones. So on the left-hand side, you'll see this is the type of complaint. Now, not all of these are relevant. I recommend taking out a lot of the ones that aren't as relevant, like cars, automobiles, they call it, or vehicle, they call it, the zoning, property maintenance, zoning, solid waste, property maintenance, high grass, weeds. So you see there's a bunch of different ones. And you'll see they actually, let me move this over. You see there's the address, there's the date it was created. So one thing I like doing is sort by descending and only focusing on the newer ones. So these are all the new ones that just went on there. So you can see there's still all these here, and we're just going to focus on that. If you scroll over, you'll see the current status, see next activity date, city, state, whole bunch of stuff. So really all you have to do now is hit the little export button. I like to do CSV, export initiated, and boom, literally that easy. Now we have all those leads to work. You see they're all down there. I don't know if you can see it on here, but they're all in a CSV file that we can go ahead, we can work, we can get that list cleaned up, get it skip traced. I'll probably do another video on how to actually use like Excel or Google Sheets to get it organized, get it cleaned up. But that's really it. So really just go, pick whatever market you want to work on, download it. Another thing I'd recommend doing is checking the date that it was updated. So you see here, all these were July 19th. So I'd recommend putting a calendar reminder for yourself for the following month. So for August 19th, if this is when you want to work, come back in here, pull all of them, and you'll know you'll be one of the first people to have them. So we're getting these again before all the main websites. But if you also put it in your calendar and make sure you're one of the first people to grab it, you're going to be getting it before everyone else that knows how to go here and get all this data. So that's it. Hopefully that was helpful. I mean, you have no excuse. A lot of people don't know where to start, but this is a great place to start. You get as many leads as you need to work. So you always have, someone to call. Obviously we'll have to get them skip traced after, but if you're on a budget, you can just do some Googling and find the contact information and the owner info. But hopefully that was helpful. If you guys have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comments. And if you have any other video ideas that you'd like me to make, let me know as well in the comments, and I'll make sure to make them. But I appreciate you guys. Thanks for checking out this video, and I hope you guys keep crushing it one day at a time.